Shopping. I remember that you used to love to go shopping. Do you still enjoy shopping now? I still like it, but now I like to shop online. Oh, why do you like shopping so much? Don't you feel that shopping is very expensive? No, I don't think so. I only buy what is affordable for me. When you balance your income and expenses properly, shopping is fun. You are right. Is there any difference between shopping in store and shopping online? If you shop at the store, you can try on the clothes there and see if the style suits you or not. What about online shopping? With online shopping, you never know what will be waiting for you until you open the box. Very exciting, isn't it? You must get very nervous. I think it is extremely interesting. Have you ever bought an item that doesn't look like the picture on the internet? Yes, of course. What do you do then? Sometimes I will return it, but sometimes I just let it go. Isn't that a waste of money? Yes, but you have to deal with it. The advantage is that shopping online is usually cheaper than shopping at the store. You should try it sometime. Maybe not. I still prefer to shop at the store. All right then.
Travel. Hi, Mia. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
It's all good. Did you just come back from Spain?
Yes, I just got back last night.
You seem to like to travel a lot. I often see you in a different country.
That's right. I have a great love for traveling. It helps me discover and experience new cultures.
That's so true. I also like traveling. I think every time we travel, a whole new world is opened, and it's like you'll have a whole new way of thinking.
Absolutely. That's exactly how I feel.
But I don't have much money to travel.
It's okay. Don't worry about that. You can travel in our country first. Going to places you have never been before is also travel.
You're right. There are many places in the country that I have not been to yet.
Yes. And then you can save money and go to the countries near you. There are many ways to save money while traveling.
I get your point. There's always a way, right?
Right. You got it.
Thank you for the advice.
You are welcome. Movie. Hey Kyle, do you like watching movies?
Yes, 100%. I love watching movies.
How about you?
Me too. I usually watch movies at home. I prefer the time spent with my family while watching the film. What about you, Tina? Do you enjoy watching films?
Yes, of course.
Well, what type of movies do you like to watch?
I absolutely love a good romantic comedy. How about you?
If you ask me, I like to watch all types of genres.
For example?
Comedy, action, mystery, supernatural, slice of life, everything. I love variety.
How often do you watch movies?
I try to watch at least 1 or 2 every night.
Wow, I only watch movies on the weekend.
What movie do you like the most?
Well, Out of all the movies I watched, Inside Out is top-notch.
I knew about this movie, but I haven't seen it yet. What is it about?
This movie is about a little girl's inner emotions. It has sadness, fear, joy, anger, and disgust.
Sounds interesting. Does this movie have any special meaning?
Yes, it reminds me of how each emotion plays a peculiar role in our lives. The movie made me feel all the emotions genuinely from my heart. We can watch it together sometime.
Sure. Certainly. Cooking.
Do you like cooking? Yes, I do like cooking, but I don't like it all the time. Oh, why do you say that? Sometimes I wouldn't say I hate it because there are definitely times I'm just not feeling the vibe. What does it mean? Well, cooking can offer me some time to relax. But sometimes it's really tiring to do. Oh, I understand. I have that feeling too. Really? Yes, I love cooking. I love creating delicious and beautiful dishes. It's very comfortable when I cook. But there are some days I'm not in the mood and don't want to do anything. So how do you solve it? It's simple. If you don't want to do it, just don't do it. Give yourself a break. When you're ready or comfortable, then cook. Ellie's right. Besides, your family also doesn't want you to cook in anger. But I need to cook for everyone. If so, that day your family can go out to eat. What's important is the time the family spends together, right? Or you can ask your husband to cook for you. He is not a good cook. That's not a problem. You can ask him to cook simple dishes. Housework belongs to two people. You're right. This is my hobby. I shouldn't make it become pressure. Yes, you get the point. Thank you guys very much. You are welcome. Glad to help you.
Internet surfing. Don't you think you spend too much time surfing the internet? No, I just do it in my free time. How much time do you spend on the internet every day? About 3 or 4 hours a day. What do you do during that time? I surf the net, watch short videos, and talk with my friends. This is a hobby of mine. I don't get it. Why other hobbies are considered healthy while surfing social networks is forbidden? I'm not saying it's unhealthy, but what is your purpose? Do you spend this time on constructive purposes, or maybe you're just wasting time on the internet? I don't think so. I can learn useful things on the internet. I can search for documents that I need. I can receive many useful shares and tips from other people. I understand. If you can take advantage of social networks to develop yourself, nothing is better. Don't waste time doing useless things that you will regret later. Okay, I got it. I know what to do. I just want the best for you. I see. You have a point there. But I have my self-control, don't worry. Okay, I trust you.